Kublai pi baro kini gilong ki kubor bamda kasngi. Uba Ricky Andrew J. Sincon MP ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Ubala kalon kat badang kai football Haratson Arena futsal ground Mawiong. Haga kat kandai terik urimpang arhajar arpendriu. Lawan ra ia kani kamat ban bishar haga cabinet jangka sarkar MDA. Haga arpsau terik urimpang. Hadien ke jinyalang umentri ke kot ke kia awelat miki shilla. Ula batai syakilat pathai kubor. Halor ka kai pot jing tokit kabala pelong do District Medical and Health Officer DM and HO East Castles. Katkum ka kai pot haka por Real Sunfly Janmin. Ka 108 Emergency Call Center. Kalayo Pdiang ye ka phone halor ka jingjia. Haka bala pak mardori ka ambulance syakamadan jingyele kai. Namar ke jing slempor kumbasan hadu nyo minin, layo biang ke jing yok pun balara ya unong pang da kakali shimet, ya Dr. Sincon Mawiong Community Health Center CHC, ha kapor kumba nyo san po janwin. Marsin poy Mawiong CHC, tip briu bat bom jubab doktor, don la syu banyo jing tho ya ka blood pressure. Dan pulse kinong tray kakot kakya akibadon ha ka emergency duty, ringkat bad medical officer on call kilas dang mardor. Ban ai oxygen, ban CPR, cardiopulmonary, resuscitation, ban ai jingerap baningkong basic life support. Wala la persyang kat bala syamla dan jubah. Namar ka jing majur, la pentip syaka yung kasem, bala ai jingmut ban penkeriak mardor syaka hospital kabakam he. Lapan kenria Robert Gordon Hospital, lapan kre eka ambulance jengka CHC but oxygen support, ba lapan poye u Robert Gordon Hospital haga por kumbat nyaw sa hujan mi. Haga bala IT, syaka emergency department ban beteng ya ke jeng sumar. Kadkum ka kai port jengka hospital syamlala ban yo jeng thau ya ki vital sign, but ki pupil, kila long fix, but dilated. Lasdang mardori ke jeng bishar but jeng yarap baningkong, Kinong tray ka CHC kilale katkum kabor baka jingla jingka community health center syam la syam kanu ka jing bakla jing penslam na jingken dad ban ai jing sumar. Katanat ka kwat ka kya kalapan pau ka jing sngosi ka bajur syaka ying ka sem bat syaki pat ba ka jela. Ka jingduna ki Dr. Mawiong CHC umentri ula kubur ba ka jela kadang mat ka jingduna ka bajur haki Dr. haki PHC bat CHC. Dan saungut ki Dr. ki belathung Arngut kidang lek puli PG, uwe ula penkenria syaway namar ke jingpang, tang uwe u doktor urang dan hakakam, uba trainer du khandai baji min step hadu saw baji janmit, but ulong on call. Umentri loong bakat kum karukam day bandan doktor 24/7, ha CHC hendrai namar ke jingduna ke jela kamar jing Umentri ula pentim, balayo jing semar, bantung hispa san pongut ki doktor contract, ka jingtung kam kadang ya chakman ka batch ka baningkong san pongun kelas dang puli hasilong medical college hagis nem banwan on sayo shushu ki doktor nagi medical college ulapan pau ka jingkermen ba hagis nem banwan ka jingduna ki doktor ha meghalaya kan saduna kat banang bun ki doktor ki bawan rung syakakam kabinet kalapan kut da ka baong ba watla ka ni ka jingjia kalong ka basngosi ba ndre ki nong tray ka Mawiong CHC kilale kat kum karukam berkabor ka bakidan.
I won't say that is the whole thing, but that is one of the thing which I definitely many of them will like you already mentioned that that's why they don't want to go. But this issue also we have started to address, and then many of the if you just check on the health department, the tender we call right now, many of the tenders are for the construction of the doctor and nurses quarter, whether new construction or whether it is renovation and all that. So we are focusing side by side, but as you know that all the things cannot be done at one go. So but from the government side, we are trying our level best that we'll be able to address this issue one by one. As you can see that this futsal thing is just starting to come up at a very initial stage, but no doubt it is coming like in big number. Like you already mentioned, it has become one of the livelihood of the people out here. So definitely we have to sit on this and find a way, because at the same time also we cannot just come up with any restriction or any SOP. That also we need to sit along with them, find a way that how we can that the health of the people also should not affect it, and they also will be able to earn. So definitely from the department will look into this and they will come up with the SOP.
Since you are also holding the sports portfolio, so how is it affecting the health, the artificial turf,
No,
futsal ground?
as of now, now, I can't say anything about that because we have not done any kind of study. But definitely, because after the incident, so definitely we'll have to, I think we send for kind of a study how its impact on the health of the players and who are the people who are playing. So definitely we'll send for the survey. On record regarding the medical attention provided to Honourable Member of Parliament Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon at Mawiong Community Health Centre CHC on the evening of 19 February 2026 based on the inspection and inquiry conducted by the District Medical and Health Officer DMHO East Khasi Hills. So these are the sequence of event as mentioned below. So firstly, that on 6:53 p.m. 108 emergency call center received a call about the event, and ambulance was dispatched immediately to Mawiong Rim playground from Laumali. At approximately 7:15 p.m., Honorable MP Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon was brought to the emergency room of Mawiong CHC by accompanying person following a reported collapse while playing football at a nearby ground. On arrival, the patient was unconscious and unresponsive. Initial assessment revealed blood pressure not recordable, pulse not palpable. The patient was immediately attended by the staff nurse on emergency duty, and the medical officer on call was intimated. Oxygen support was initiated promptly. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, which is called CPR, was administered. Despite these resuscitation efforts, the patient did not respond. In view of the critical condition and non-response to initial resuscitation, was informed of the need for immediate referral to a higher facility. Referral and transport. At approximately 7:20 p.m., arrangements were made for transfer. The patient was shifted with oxygen support by the Mawiong CHC ambulance. The ambulance reached H. Robert Gordon Hospital at approximately 7:40 p.m., where the patient was handed over to the emergency team for further management. As per the medical report of Robert Hospital on arrival, the patient vitals were not recordable and pupils were also bilaterally fixed and dilated. So, out of this, the finding of the inquiry confirmed that emergency assessment and basic life support measures were initiated promptly upon the patient arrival at Mawiong CHC. The staff present acted within the scope and capacity of a community health center, including immediate examination, oxygen administration, initiation of CPR, and timely referral to a higher facility. There is no finding of refusal of care or delay in referral at Mawiong CHC. So, through this, the health department reiterates its deep condolence to the bereaved family and the people of Meghalaya. And also we realize that sudden medical emergencies such as sudden cardiac arrest are time critical even where outcomes depend on multiple factors including patient underlying condition and immediacy of advanced life-saving intervention. So this is the inquiry report which we have sent the DMHO of East Khasi Hills to find the sequence of event in CHC Mawiong.
What about the absence of doctor there?
See, regarding the doctors, because right now in the, like already I mentioned in today's assembly question also in the house, that right now we are like in the tremendous shortage of doctors in our state. But nevertheless, there were actually 4 doctors posted at Mawiong CHC. Number 1 is Dr. Gromor Londok. Number 2 is Dr. Amin Nongrim, a third one is Dr. Rahul CH Marak, and the fourth is Dr. Wandai Jo Nongtru. But out of these four, two are under PG leave for higher studies, and Dr. Wandai Jo Nongtru is transferred to Clariat CHC since May because of her medical condition. So as you understand that there is only one doctor there. And for him also, we have sent through and find out through the inquiry that he was there the whole day from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. attending OPD cases, as he is the only medical officer in charge of the CHC. He was available on call, and I already mentioned in the sequence of things which happened. The nurse, whatever she was doing, she was on call with the doctor, under the doctor guidance only. So we do understand, no doubt it is very unfortunate that at that particular moment doctor was not there, but all the necessary procedures were followed as the medical emergencies.
So, involvement of doctors following this incident?
Yeah, definitely we are working out, but not only mean like in CSC Mawiong, but with other areas also, because like I already mentioned, because we are really in short of doctors in many PHCs and CSCs. So definitely we are working, and then I would like through the media, I like to inform that we have got the sanction from finance to recruit another 150 doctors on contractual basis. So very soon we are conducting the recruitment.
So another concern here.
I don't know about the other cases, but particularly for this case, I would like to also inform you that according to the record, because we send we inquire regarding that particular thing also, but according to the report which we are getting, that in a matter of 5 to 7 minutes, this 108 got a call, and then within after a few minutes they were again got a call that no, we already taken the private car and shifting him. So you do realize that, because I think because of the emergency of the situation at that time, so it seemed they have not wait, because but that was I think only the duration between 5 to 7 minutes.
Don't you think that after 4 o'clock there should have been one doctor in the
Standby.
CHC?
No, definitely, like I already mentioned, as you know that CHC was supposed to be 24/7, doctors should be available, but due to the unavoidable circumstances, and then like I already mentioned, because we are in shortage of doctors.
And CHC Mawiong also where actually, because closer to the city, in fact the footfall is very low. In fact IPD is almost like a zero in many. Recently there was also a discussion that some part of the CHC can be used for the in fact addiction center, de-addiction center. In fact discussion is happening with the local.
I have on record also that in the past also during our former health minister, she has already called a meeting on the 29th of May 2025, but like requesting the local Dorbar of that area that to allow that, because this CSC is underutilized. So that's why if they allowed to use it at the addiction center. So that was on the discussion.
Going on.
It was under discussion.
What make the moment to
Like I already mentioned, the problem is that because there are very less doctor who come forward. No doubt during recruitment they come forward, they attend the recruitment, but when we send them for posting, many of them doesn't turn up. So that is the
Generally, we have a shortage of doctors. That's why the now Shillong Medical College has come up. So with that, actually, we are going to have more additional doctors. 50 doctors are coming up. So we will. I think it's over a period of time. This will be resolved. But we are also expanding the facilities. So in fact, we have many PHCs with single doctor. Because
that was the challenge since from the past. So that's why I mean, like even now also you do realize that we have recently. I think with God's grace we could start the Shillong Medical College.
Yes.
That also we in spite, and then we most of the faculty we have used the in-service. The in-service doctor we have to bring, and at the same time we realize the importance that right now we need to have a medical college. So I think all these things right now we are facing. If there was a medical college, I'm not here to blame anyone or point finger to anybody, but I think if the medical college would have been there 10 years ago, then I think the situation would have been different. So, but like you already have seen yourself, that I think thanks under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, as you can see today, that we have already start the first batch of the Shillong Medical College, 15 numbers of them, and then even the Perno Sangma this international medical college. From there also we'll get many numbers of doctors, and hopefully that everything goes well, that by next session Tura Medical College will come up, so we'll get quite a number of doctors. So I think in the coming years we'll be able to solve the shortage of doctors.